Hello, welcome to the Worldview Publications. My name is Daniel Omolola. It's my goal today to connect with you, to inspire you and empower you, so that you might be able to lead a meaningful and fulfilling life. I've been talking about, decisions. I've been talking about the place of information, consultation, connection, consideration, and action. Today I want to talk about one crucial issue or point that will help you make very, very good decisions, is for you to be emotionally intelligent. Emotionally intelligent. What does that mean? That you are able to dispel appropriate emotions to match the situation you face. Unfortunately, not many people are really emotionally smart. When you are not emotionally intelligent, it's like using a sledgehammer to kill mosquito. The emotion that is not appropriate to the situation you find yourself. And that's why many people get stuck. It's because they are so messed up with their emotions. They've allowed their feelings, their emotions to actually override their sense of judgment. If you allow your emotion to run rampant, it's going to control your life. And when your emotions control your life, you will not be able to make sound judgment. You will not be able to make good decisions. And again, when you cannot make decisions, you will be frustrated. The inability to make good decisions concerning your life will lead to frustration. You need to put your emotions in check. And one way to do that is to be wise. Wisdom will help you to put your emotions to check. Because wisdom is the ability to use the information you got to make the best out of your life. Is the ability to process your information. To process the information you get after consulting the leading of the Holy God's leading, and after weighing the situation up and down. Wisdom is the ability to actually put everything together and make decisions that you need to make to move your life forward. But if you are full of emotions, especially negative emotions, if you allow your feelings to dictate the pace, number one, you might not be able to make that decisions. Number two, you might get stuck. You might really get paralyzed, that you are not able to move forward. Many of us have allowed our emotions to stop us. Emotions of fear, emotions of doubt, emotions of things, of the outcome that is not even yet in there. Or the emotions attached to what will people think, what will people say. If I go through this direction, what will people say? Most of us have allowed those things to stop us. Whether you make decisions or not, people will say things. So why don't you make decisions, allow them to talk? Because you are moving towards the direction of your future. I want to challenge you today to put your emotions to check and look up and make those solid decisions that will make life easy for you. Those decisions that will make you to grow in life. It's my prayer today that the Lord will bless you and keep you. That the Lord will cause His face to shine upon you. That the Lord will be gracious unto you. That the Lord will lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. Remember, you are blessed and lifted. Thank you for joining us today. Join us next time as we explore together. Bye for now. Shalom.